Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to efficiently add a member to a task on the Asana app. Whether you are managing a team or collaborating on projects, knowing how to assign tasks quickly can save time. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Once the app is open, navigate to the project that contains the task. Navigate to the task you want to assign a member to. Next, locate the three-dot menu situated next to the project name. Tap on it. Then, add anyone from your team or project to the task. After selecting the member, click on the Done button to confirm your choice. This will successfully add the person to the task, and they will be able to view and interact with it immediately. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.